Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 1764-345 package of 4 or 4 bulk pack of their 1-inch speed bore blue groove spade bits. Great value in a packaging sort of combination. If you know you're going to use 1 inch, and that's an incredibly common size, at that cost you can almost treat them as disposable. So this is a 1-inch bit. I have a lot of experience using this exact bit because not only does the tool type but the size bear a lot of relevance to the sort of work that we would do in terms of drilling function holes for hardware like exit devices or mortise locks or deadbolts onto wood doors and wood frames. So 1 inch is very common. I like this exact bit from Irwin because it's cheap and it's good. Okay, that's just the bottom line. Why? Well, when I'm drilling the hole, I want to be able to have these spurs be able to score the face of the veneer. It also tells me when I'm straight to, when I approach the workspace slowly, and I can see how I'm scoring the face of the door to tell me immediately to make any minor adjustments necessary on the drill path. Very nice sharp bit. It's got a little detail to it, this blue groove here, where it allows you to pierce in and start removing material immediately, and quickly you'll get to the face of the door or whatever you're drilling and hit those spurs and start to make a nice clean hole. Standard length bit, 4-piece bulk according to the extended description below this video. Double cutting spurs scribe the outside of the hole, reducing breakout. Grooved hex shank prevents slipping in the drill truck. That's important. You don't want to have a tool slip on you, but also you want to have it firmly in the tool naturally. There are some links below this video that I'd like to call your attention to. First is the bit selection guide, and bit selection guide is really just more of an informational piece of documentation that will allow you to understand overall the sort of tool that you might want to consider for a specific size that you need to drill, for a typical trade that it applies to, what you're doing with it, and what the benefits of using that specific tool would be. There's a second link below this video to a document called Reference Guide, which is really just a metal drilling reference guide. The important part of that for me is the last page. It gives you a guide in terms of cutting speeds based on what you're drilling into. That's handy to know. The next link is a link to the product brochure, which is very helpful because what you can do quickly and in a consolidated view, look at the 1764345 item, all of the associated products that are immediately related to it if you were to perform like a find function on your keyboard. It's helpful because you can find what are the other, I need the 3/4 inch size 4-piece bulk pack as well. What's that part number? That's an easy way to do it, but it's also an easy way to edify yourself in terms of what's the overall of cutting tools that Irwin's going to have as it pertains to exactly wood drilling applications, and then the tool types are related to that. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use the products personally, and I can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin, this is their 1764345 pack of 4 1-inch standard length blue groove speed bore spade bits, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.